Okay, I fixed the Ragdoll. It works in Blender 3, which is what I'm using right here. The skeleton files no longer create the mesh. You do that separately just by hitting action, and it works as before. And now you can actually bake the animation, so it's no longer a simulation. And again, join the objects as we would expect. I'm going to do something more fun though. I want to create add mesh cube, add mesh, not circle, I don't want circle, icosphere, cylinder, and a cone. Oh, I want the doors too. Okay, I'm just going to move these over to the side, and I'll go grab an armature. You can use whatever you like, whatever armature you like. Now the size will be taken into account here. So let's get an idea. That's good. These are my pool of objects, and I'm going to duplicate it so it covers more bones. And you can use a pool of objects. You can use the existing objects on the rig, and you can use a single object, and we'll do these ones last. Right now, do a single object, and it will be, what will it be? Find my object that I want. I'll use that one. And lock mesh. Go grab myself a rig. Oh, I already have one, so I'll delete that one. And action. Play that. Okay. I like the way this other one looks here. Fixed. So I'll do that. And then I'll show you how the other one works. Reset this. I'll grab my pool of objects, use the pool, and action. Oops, don't select the rig. Alright, there we go. I'm going to take that one into Second Life. Let's do that one. So I will bake the action, and I'll want to combine the items because they give us a problem. Join directors, and we'll do a quick mapping here. Visual snap mapper, choose the rig, action, make sure all of our bones are showing, hide our mesh, select all of those bones, and tell it to match it with the safe bones deposit. Now it's done, reset the mapper, and I will go over to make sure open the mapper again so I can show my mesh, and I will export the mesh first. It seems to be a quicker workflow. Mapped mesh, and then I will export the animation, character tools, retarget motion. I'm going to want to do glue here. May want to experiment with that. Action, and it's ready. I want to loop it, of course. Okay, let's go over to Second Life. Grab my animation. Okay, get this done. Link. Features are Animesh. Bring this up. I'll want to make that a little transparent there. And I will drop my animation into it and my script, and it should be fun. Alright, that's it. Enjoy.